Even though we now have online messaging services, we still text message our friends and family, right? What if I told that you could get paid to text directly from your smartphone? Yes, some companies offer this worldwide, but it's not easy to find the legitimate ones that pay well. And to help you, we tried and tested thousands of apps and websites to find the ones that guarantee at least $15/hour. Is it possible to make money through texting? Yes. A variety of services pay people to text and chat. There are 3 different types of paid texting opportunities: promotion and after-sales service to customers. Send and receive messages with solitary mails. Make money by sending and receiving text messages. Although the businesses discussed in this article are legitimate, you should always do your homework before enrolling, since nothing can be guaranteed. In a discussion, you should never give any personal information about yourself. It is advisable to communicate behind a false name while speaking with males. In addition to that, before signing up with any company, you should carefully read the terms and conditions. Number 10. Chat operator jobs. A website known as Chat Operator Job is a venue that provides opportunities for women to earn money by chatting online with male users. You make money by texting and reacting to clients through typed messages, no phone calls or webcams. This is the only method of communication accepted. When payments are made through PayPal accounts, you can earn $0.20 for every message you answer. You must be at least 23 years old to participate in this activity. If you meet the requirements, you can sign up to make money by participating in online text conversations. Number 9. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞. To use 𝐿MGR, you have to download their Get Paid to Text app and send texts through that platform. The biggest downside is that the people you send ads to must also have the app for you to get paid for texting. The app is compatible with Android and iOS devices and awards 1 point for every branded message sent and received. Anyone over the age of 13 may use 𝐿MGR. From the start of the month until the conclusion of the month, points are accumulated. Every month, the service will reset the issues you've earned, so you'll need to cash out before that. You need at least 90 points to get a reward, which gives you $1 in your PayPal account. You can find a total points table and more information on their points page. Number 8. �McMoney. �McMoney is a mobile application that may be downloaded and used. This app is free to join and will provide you with extra cash in exchange. When you sign up, you can start making money right away. From time to time, companies from all over the world will send you texts. SMS marketing is something that companies all over the country need to test and improve, so they would rather pay to have their services tested than blow up the bank and have the whole campaign fail. It's important to know that this app is only for Android devices. This means that you won't be able to get the app if you have iOS. �McMoney pays about $0.05 per text, which isn't a lot, but it all adds up. Number 7. iSpyPlates. iSpyPlates is one of the great ways to get paid to text, despite its James Bond-esque name. This US-based company's primary activity is attaching tags to license plates. Banks and lending companies are their direct customers, since they often can't find the cars they put up as collateral. And this company gets to work by tagging the license plates and where they are. In addition to the standard rates for your industry, you'll also get a $50 bonus after you've tagged your first 10 number plates. You can also get $25 if you tell 3 friends about the site. Number 6. FlirtBucks. FlirtBucks is a legit, well-paying site where you can get paid to text and chat with guys. You're in charge and don't have to perform, so just be yourself. You can do what you want in the morning, noon, or at night. Text messages cost $0.01 and video messages cost $0.04. Recognize that you will converse with lonely men and that the talks may become romantic. This position is not suitable for those who are easily offended. Number 5. Text121Chat. Text121Chat is a chat operating firm that connects trained and skilled texting operators with businesses requiring qualified personnel in charge. You're obliged to send a minimum of 1,000 messages per month, and among your other responsibilities are the following. 1. A person who operates a text chat. 2. A moderator of the chat room. 3. A moderator for the live stream. You can earn $0.07 for every message, which translates to a potential monthly income of at least $700. The organization, one of the most significant providers of adult chat services in the United States, has stringent standards regarding safe online flirtation and the exchange of text messages that do not contain romantic content. Number 4. Fiverr. There is no question that Fiverr is a commonly utilized expert platform because it has over 100,000 installs combined across Google Play and the App Store. You can sign up for an account with Fiverr, promote your knowledge, and get paid to conduct text conversations with people who have questions about your expertise. You're produced according to your chosen rate, and you get paid every time someone interacts with you to ask a question. Additionally, you have the choice to enable audio and video calls simultaneously. Number 3. The Free Eats Network. The Free Eats Network is like Make Money because it pays people to take marketing tests from big companies. You'll need to register your phone number to get started. From there, you can agree to get ads and links from different companies. This is the best way to make extra cash without doing anything. You'll need a PayPal account to get paid. The money will go straight into your account when you get a text message. How much money can you make? The news is both good and bad. It's fantastic to hear that you can make $0.25 for each text, which is a nice sum, and the cash will be on its way to you ASAP. The bad news is that you will only get 2 text messages weekly. Even though this isn't very much, the company hopes to grow, meaning they will send more texts. You can make between $0.50 and $3.50 per week, which is between $26 and $182. Remember that your location and other factors may affect the number of readers you attract. Number 2. 𝐃𝐨𝐲. 𝐃𝐨𝐲 is a legitimately fantastic platform for making money by texting, although its name sounds like it should be associated with Russian espionage. In addition, it is also one of the platforms that pay the most for people who want to get paid to chat online this year. The majority of the time, this company will ask you to respond to basic inquiries. You can reply to those questions manually or using the automatic programs they provide. You can make approximately $0.05 for each response if the procedure is automated. In addition, the going rate for manual research is roughly $0.01 per response on average. However, at this time, this opportunity is only open to people in the United States. You will need to register with your social security number to establish your credibility and right to work in the United States. Number 1. JustAnswer. JustAnswer is an excellent website that can be utilized significantly if you are knowledgeable in any area, regardless of whether that area is guitar repair or civil procedure legislation. You'll get paid to text someone through this app when you solve queries or answer questions. You can get as much as $30 per answer if you are an expert in a highly wanted area such as cloud computing, AWS, or AI. However, the typical rate is around $5 per answer. Despite this, it is undoubtedly one of the best platforms to earn money by providing online advice. At the moment, it is accessible in every region of the world. However, you must have a PayPal account to cash out your earnings from this program. Is it safe to flirt online for money? It sounds easy and doable to get paid to text chat, but you shouldn't forget that your safety should be your top priority. Knowing what to expect and how to be safe when getting paid to communicate online is much easier if you have specific guidelines before signing up. You are never forced to do something you don't feel comfortable with, and if you think a service could hurt your image, safety, or reputation, you can turn down the offer or change the requirements to fit your terms and conditions. You are now aware of the various ways in which you can make money by texting. As can be seen, there are a lot of opportunities suited to a variety of personalities. While some may be more outgoing and love flirting via text, others may find chatting more convenient for conducting business or market research. Picking a side hustle you enjoy doing is essential because if you don't, you won't stick with it for very long. Therefore, if you have a few hours to spare each day, take advantage of some of the options provided for text chat, and then let me know about your experiences in the comments below. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.